What's up, my chuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I am going to be talking all about organization. Over the past several weeks I have taken some time to reorganize my bedroom, beauty room, office, and kitchen, and I would love to share with you the tips and tricks and things that I have purchased to help me achieve that goal of having everything organized and easy to use. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Okay, the first thing we are going to start out with is organizing your beauty room slash bedroom, anything that you want to be organized. We're going to start with my vanity, and I am going to start right here, and it is Homegoods or anywhere that sells trays. Trays and jars are going to be your best friend. I use them for absolutely everything. This tray happened to be from the bathroom section at Homegoods, and I put all of my things that need to stand up there. This is a candle holder from Bath and Body Works, an old candle, and I just cleaned it out and put all of my brushes in there. And then this is from Homegoods as well, and this is just a simple 3-drawer system where I store all of my makeup, and I absolutely love this. It is seamless, it's clear, it shows me everything that I need. If I'm in a hurry, I just pull the drawer out and set it down, and then when I'm done, they just slide in super easy, and I'm good to go. As far as actually inside the drawer, I spend a lot of time going through my makeup and making sure that I'm only keeping things that I utilize every single day or almost every single day. As far as organizers, I got this one, which is nice because you can separate it into 6 individual ones or take them out, and I decided to take them out. I got this one from Target. I just put my mascaras, my lipsticks, and some primers in here, and as well as my glosses. And then over here in the middle section, this is from the Container Store, and I put my beauty blenders and my little fan and my lashes at the bottom there. These are also 2 new eye creams that I'm using that I put in there as well. And then this tray at the end is from Homegoods, again, clear plastic, and I put all my liners and brow products in there. So this is absolutely everything that I use. This is how I organize it. Super easy, inexpensive, and practical. Moving on to the bedroom part of this, I love, like I said, to use trays, and this is a tray that I got from Homegoods as well, and I use this for my sunglasses and jewelry, and I'm always changing this out, changing these little inserts out as well. And then here again, just these boxes from Homegoods, super inexpensive. I just have all of my costume jewelry here. I really don't wear anything but costume jewelry. Anything real that I have on me at all times. So just a lot of costume jewelry that I kind of want to display, and I put them out on this tray, which is from Target. And again, like I said, these are just empty little boxes from Homegoods that give it a nice little look to finish off the entire vanity vibe. Next within these is drawer organization. In these drawers, I just have things folded, but in the bottom drawer is where I keep all of my underwear, sports bras, and regular bras. And these little boxes from Target are the best. They're these little square boxes, and they fit your underwear, sports bras, socks, anything you want to store, but it helps separate them so they're not bleeding into one another. So I love that trick as well. All right, you guys, so here is the closet, and I am very surprised at how well it came out in terms of organization and size. So we decided after we measured to get one of the larger metal racks, and as you can see I have put all of my holiday trees at the top, and then on this rack I have some holiday wreaths, and then these are all my votives and candles and things that are very delicate. And then on this shelf I put some more holiday decor, my Santa Claus and some small reindeer and items that needed to be standing up. And then I just used a decorative tray to put any of the other random objects that are again very delicate that need to stand. And then on this shelf we put some holiday pillows, a garland and signs. And then on the bottom here I just have curtain rods, my tree basket, and a tray with some items. So I left this entire rack just for the holiday decor, and it worked out really well. I actually have some extra space that I just put a couple random things in. And then on this, which I know is very hard to see, it's just the same width but a shorter one. And on the top here I have put some plants and candlesticks, anything that needs a lot of room up top. I put them on the top rack. And then moving down again I have trays with some items, just decoration items that I wanted to store out, a box. And then here on the bottom shelf I have some decorative boxes and another tray with just some candle items, a horse, you know, just decoration items as a whole. And my objective here was to make sure that I had a place to store all of my decor items, because a lot of them are being switched out and utilized throughout the year, and I want to be able to store them and access them with ease without necessarily having to go in the attic and get them. So this way they're out on display, they're easy for me to pull from when the seasons change, and they're not going to get damaged because they're not stuffed in a room. So displaying them like this not only opens up the area for you to have all of this extra space to do whatever you want with, but it also allows them to be displayed and safe. And then this is just a clothing rack that I had that I left here because now I have all this extra space that I am not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. So I just left that there. But I seriously cannot believe the amount of space that this stuff took up after it was displayed properly. That just goes to show when you store things vertically how much space it truly saves. In the office, utilizing that same exact rack that I have underneath the stairs, I have used this to organize all of my office stuff, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I'm not 100% finished because I want to get a matching basket to store this stuff in, but for now I put together this rack and utilized these 3 boxes I got for super cheap at Homegoods and put extra mail. So I call this Jack's mailbox for any extra mail he wants to keep from work. And then this one I have just stored extra paper goods and cards and little bags so it's easier for me to access. And then this is something that Jack actually recommended that I did that I really love, and that's keeping any extra, especially electronic boxes, so things that we buy in case they break or we need to sell them. That really helps having them for resale value. Moving up to the next shelf, I use this again. I'm gonna get some more matching baskets because I love these from Target, but for now this is what I had, and I use this tray just to store my paper on for my printer. And then this has just got some extra random items in it, pens and rubber bands and ink for my printer, just things that I don't want them to get lost. They all go in this basket. Then moving up to the top shelf, I have these cool clear baskets that I got from Homegoods, and I love these to store my empty makeup containers to make sure that I love them, or my back to Mac so I can keep track of them. And then this one I just have some of my Beats headphones and my different either older headphones or adaptive pieces I need for my camera equipment. And then this big white basket, I always love to have a place to keep items that I'm either going to be donating, returning, getting rid of, finding something to do with them. So while I'm doing that, they at least have a home in here. Like for example, these shorts, I got them in the wrong size and I need to return them, so they go in this basket. And then, you know, when the weekend comes and I have some free time, I know right where those items will be. That way they are super organized and easy to access. Last but certainly not least is none other than the pantry, and this is probably something I spend the most time on, but totally well worth it. I had a lot of extra wicker baskets and spent some time going to HomeGoods and all different areas of my house to find extra wicker baskets so I could go through and organize everything so that everything had its own place. So I will start off at the bottom. In this basket, I love to put my water bottles in, and then I'm going to refill this one with my paper towel. And it's perfect because this one was too shallow for paper towel, but this one is perfect because paper towel, since it's so tall, it does need a little bit more room over here so it doesn't fall over. So I love these two baskets for that. Moving up to the next level, I have all of my wine and extra liquor in this basket and corresponding soda, juices, anything extra that I have here. And then I did incorporate some metal baskets as well for my hand towels and my oven gloves. And then back here we have all of our party supplies and for the Tesla, the baby wipes, any extra silverware, decorations, that sort of thing here. And then moving over to this last basket, again, the same small, shallow one, I have all of my pills and band-aids in, and then I use some of these containers for emergency items, any extra medications that I have just to keep it nice, clean, and organized. Moving up to this shelf, I am obsessed with these canisters that I got from HomeGoods. I had no idea what I was going to put inside them, but I found the perfect thing. So when I make my morning smoothies and I need my protein powder and I need my greens powder and I need my collagen powder, all of that stuff is in these, separate from the cooking ones. And then here we got this custom made for our wedding that says the Fulcher, so I just put my extra K-cups in here. The rest of this level, we just have our basic cooking in these canisters and some cups and silverware, and then all of our garbage bags, our saran wrap, our regular bags, anything that which you would need for the essential items. Then moving up to the next level, we have a basket for all of our snacks, our popcorn, our granola, our goody snacks, and then any boxes that need to be put away, animal crackers, and then in this one I just have random things like breadcrumbs and sauce and cheese. Moving up, we have our bread basket, and again, another random basket just for granola, that sort of thing. Moving on here, we have all of our dressings and oils, and then we're moving on to the pasta section. And then here I got this from HomeGoods as well, and it's just to stack cans. I love it because it makes it look so nice and seamless. And then finally at the top we have our cookbooks, and then any extra dishes that I want to store here as well. It works out so perfect. So it just looks nice, clean, seamless, and put together. I love that they're all see-through because some people had the baskets with the fabric inside, which was nice, but you couldn't see what was inside the basket. And I don't always want to have to do that. That's why I just put things that I could see the top of in the baskets that were not see-through down here. So I kind of did a nice combination. Whatever works for you is what you should do, but this is what works for me and I love it. This bar coffee area, and I completely redid this cabinet with the glasses. Moving shelves makes such a big difference. I literally moved all of these shelves and now I'm able to fit every single glass that we have in the house in here. Coffee cups, wine glasses, regular glasses, and then at the top we have some pitchers and just some 2 sets up there, which I love. Moving down to the drawer, again, these organizers from HomeGoods are such a game changer. They just help your bar essentials, random essentials, your rolling pins, your wine openers, all of that stuff, so you can see where it is and you can access it super easy. And then moving down here, I just got another white basket to put all of my extra plastic cups in, and then all of my electronic, like my Ninja and my juicer in here, and it just works out so perfectly. And then one of the last but certainly not least items I wanted to show you is after my dad built this amazing piece of furniture for us in what I call the bedroom. We had these cabinets that I wanted to use as storage and just finally finished up this cabinet, and I love the way that it turned out. And I wanted a space for me to put and organize all of my items that I don't necessarily have anymore. And these are all candles, which at one point were in that cup cabinet I showed you earlier, and I was able to organize, throw out the ones that were almost burnt out, and then get these baskets, which I love, from Target, and just organize and fill it up so I can see what I have as far as candles. And then down here in the next level, I have all of my things from Bath and Body Works, whether it's my sanitizer or soap that I use in the kitchen, an extra candle, and my bottle of matches. And then on this side, I had my husband wire up these cords so that I can charge these. This is my small cordless vacuum and our channel changer for our TV. And this way we are able to charge these things without them being seen, which is, to me, seriously the best thing in the world. Obscure things at its finest. All right, you guys, that completes my organization video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. As always, I will link everything in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.